Hi everyone, we're having a cooking video again. Cooking our leche flan. This is an order. Okay, watch guys. We have our egg mixture. This is the uncooked leche flan. This is about to be cooked in the oven, but it can also be steamed. We're going to steam bath the leche flan. If you are cooking this in the oven, you have to steam bath this so that it will be moist, not dry. We will cover this with foil so that the moisture will not go to the leche flan and it will become watery.